Hey everybody, how's it going? After my most recent contractor experience, I can honestly say that I have a great level of sympathy for people who pay a professional based on a referral who doesn't get the job that they pay for, which is precisely why I have a great amount of sympathy for members of the Consumer Technology Association. You paid to be a part of an organization that would lobby on behalf of your interests. And if the testimony that we heard from Charlie Brown is any indication, it doesn't seem like you got what you paid for. Now, with the contractor that I hired, it doesn't seem like I'm able to get money back because the same day that he failed in his filing for bankruptcy, it seems to be the same day that his home mysteriously went on fire. And from what I hear from people who have attempted to go the legal route in the past, they were not able to collect any money. However, lobbyists tend to have quite a bit of money. So I think that if the people who are members of the Consumer Technology Association filed a chargeback, they'd actually be able to get their money back. The thing is, when you call up Visa or MasterCard and you say, hey, I'd like my money back because I didn't get the service I asked for, they're going to ask for evidence, and it can be a time-consuming process to create that evidence. So I thought, hey, let me do you a favor since I feel bad for how you were treated and give you some of that evidence for you. Let's take a look at the testimony that he provided. Let's take a look at how he presented himself. Let's take a look at alternative ways that your interests could have been presented to the senators that were asking him questions that he was completely unable to present himself or answer. And let's go from there.
Good morning, Mr. Chair and members of the committee. I am Charlie Brown. I'm here today on behalf of the Consumer Technology Association. We are opposed to Senate Bill 5799. We believe that Senate Bill 5799 is lithium-ion batteries and the potential robust consumer companies. We absolutely oppose this bill. We do look forward to having more robust conversations about this. We would like to have more robust conversations. I believe that we get to have that opportunity with some of the conversations that a number of us have had earlier this week.
Do I own this phone? I mean, it sounds like when I buy it, my intention, my understanding was I pay you money, it's now mine. But it sounds like there's some lasting commitment where, am I renting it from the company? Like, why do I have some obligation back to you? If I go buy a pencil at Office Depot, they don't like come tell me how I can use my pencil or where I can take my pencil. I get to do whatever I want with it. Why is it different? Especially because my iPhone costs a little bit more than a pencil at Office Depot does. How is this relationship different than when I buy other products in the marketplace?
Senator, clearly there are a lot of issues that we need to walk through. What I will say is that supercomputer that's in your pocket, which you say is an iPhone, repair that phone and do it under warranty so that you can still feel confident that what you're getting back is a phone that does not have TikTok put onto it. There are some, we should be educating our future students to create the cobblers of the future Consumer Electronics Show down in Las Vegas this year. And what's coming your way is really quite amazing. We're a leader in this state. For this conversation, we need to have a serious discussion about how we go forward on this, and I know we're going to have that opportunity.